The combination of ChatGPT and AI video tools represents a groundbreaking shift in YouTube content creation, offering efficiency and scalability previously unattainable. By automating the script writing and video production processes, creators can dedicate more time to creativity and strategy, stepping away from the labor-intensive aspects of content generation. This allows for consistent output of high-quality videos that engage and grow viewership. Furthermore, AI's flexibility in language and customizable elements means content can appeal to a broader, international audience. As we embrace these advanced AI tools, the potential for innovation in digital storytelling expands, making it an exciting time for YouTubers and audiences alike. Creators are now armed with the capability to produce a vast array of content, pushing the boundaries of what's possible on the platform.